January 1 minute wisdom. Are you easily offended? How easily offended are you? Do you get bent out of shape if a coffee cup doesn't honor what you celebrate? Do you get really angry when someone cuts you off in traffic? Are you easily offended? I know people on Facebook that look for ways to be offended, and that's not a really great way to spend your life. And what I'm going to encourage you to do, get offended about the stuff that matters. Whatever you're passionate about. Maybe you love animals, you love the environment, you're disturbed about poverty, homelessness, and hunger. Get offended by stuff that matters. Don't waste your time on the insignificant stuff. Don't waste your energy, spin your wheels, being offended by the stuff that doesn't matter. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.